friends, it's your friendly neighborhood feminist lawyer coming at you again. I can't tell y'all how much I appreciate all of the comments and interactions that you've had in my comment sections on my videos. If you have any more questions or topics that you'd like me to discuss, please leave a comment below because it's kind of why I'm doing this one. One of the questions I've been getting a lot is, can I record police when I'm in an interaction with them? Now, I'm going to start with the caveat that this is not actionable legal advice. You always need to check your local ordinances or speak with an attorney that's barred in your jurisdiction for actionable legal advice. I'm just a gal with 2 law degrees telling you what I think I know. So in most places, as far as I know, the right to record police in your interactions with them is covered under your First Amendment rights. And in a lot of jurisdictions, it's considered a performance of your public duties to hold police accountable through recording. However, in one of my favorite states lately, Arizona, they've passed a law that's going to go in effect starting September that you cannot record police within 8 feet. Now, of course, the argument is people who record police get in the way of investigations and it can cause a dangerous situation, etc. As if a cop trained holding a weapon is really threatened by a bystander with a camera. And the sticky part of this is that sort of precludes every traffic stop ever because you're going to be within 8 feet. And then if the cop starts walking towards you and gets within that 8-foot mark, it may end up invalidating the entire video that you've taken for the purposes of being admitted to evidence. Frankly, it's a real easy way for cops to get away with a lot of shady shit without accountability. Arizona's full of lovely laws like this. So if you're not in Arizona, I don't know of any other state that has a law like this. It's possible that they do, so always, again, check your local ordinances. But most states are a single consent recording state. So it means one person has to consent to the being recorded. So even the cop doesn't necessarily have to consent to the recording. I know that's the case in my home state of Georgia. I have to caution you though, particularly during traffic stops. Try to keep your hands away from your pockets. Like, don't go reaching for your phone when you're in an interaction with a cop. If you've already got it in your hand, great, good for you. But what I'm worried about is a Philando Castile situation where it's like I'm reaching for my license and I get shot because the cop thinks I'm going for a gun. Keep your hands where the cops can see them. Your life could depend on it. Otherwise, I'm a big fan of recording cops. As a white woman, when I see cops interacting with a person of color, I whip that phone right out. Keep a distance. Don't yell at the cops. Don't get mad or anything. Don't start interrupting what they're doing, but make sure you keep that phone out and stay quiet because they don't want to hear you. They want to hear what the cops are saying. Stay safe out there, friends. Keep fighting the good fight.